Have you ever noticed that mice always seem to converge on the same location every single year? Today, we're going to uncover the surprising biological and environmental reasons behind this mysterious annual gathering. It starts with food availability. Homes with unclean environments or accessible waste provide the easy meals that invite mice to establish their initial presence in the first place. Once inside, they scavenge efficiently at night, staying close to walls and rarely venturing more than 15 feet from their hiding spots to minimize the risk of being spotted by predators. Whenever temperature plays a critical role, during the summer heat, these small rodents seek out cooler indoor environments like basements and attics to escape the rising outdoor temperatures. The population explodes rapidly because a female mouse can produce an average litter of 6 to 12 pups multiple times a year, turning a single intruder into a massive infestation quickly. Finally, the ultimate trigger occurs when an imminent storm hits. Sensing the coming snow and cold, they instinctively locate their nearest safe haven, overwintering spot, often right under your house. So that specific spot isn't random, it is the only place offering guaranteed food, shelter, and safety from the elements for the entire winter season. Now you understand the complex mix of food, heat, and storms that drives this migration. Did you know mice can sense a storm before it arrives? Share your thoughts below.